Hello everyone, this is Prithvi Raj. Welcome to the session. Today's topic is N Queen's problem under 5th module backtracking. First, let us see what you mean by backtracking. Backtracking is the finding the solution of a problem where the solution depends on the previous steps taken. In this, we are going to discuss about N Queen's problem so that we have to place the number of queens on a n cross n chessboard so that no queens should attack each other. It can be seen that for n is equal to 1, the problem has a trivial solution because in a 1 cross 1 matrix we can place only one queen, and there is no solution exist for n is equal to 2 and n is equal to 3. For a 2 cross 2 chessboard or 3 cross 3 chessboard, we can't place the number of queens so that we can't place the number of queens in a safe position. We first place the first queen anywhere arbitrary and then place the next queen in any of the safe places. The rule says that no two queens must be placed on the same row or same column or on the same diagonal. We can solve it for 4 queens problem. That means we should have a 4 cross 4 matrix. Let us consider one chessboard of 4 cross 4. Initially, we'll place the first queen on the first position. It is not necessary that we need to place on the first queen on the first position itself. We can place anywhere arbitrarily. But here in this example, I'll consider the first position as my initial position. So let us place queen 1 in first position. And according to the rule, we can't place any other queens on the same column and on the same row as well as on the same diagonal. So where to place q2? We have a safest position, third as well as fourth. So let us place the second queen on the third position of the second row. Now for this again we can't place next queen on the same column, same row and same diagonal. But the question is where to place q3 or queen 3, because there is no room exist in the third row. So there is no room and hence we need to go for backtracking. That means we have to change the position of the second queen. Let us change the position of second queen to 2, 4. And along the same column we can't place further queens, and along the same diagonal we can't place any queens. But we have one position, empty position at 3, 2. So let us place queen 3 at position 3, 2. And along the same diagonal of q3 we can't place further queens. Similarly, with the same column we can't place the next queen. Now again the question is where to place queen 4. Again there is no room to place q4. So we need to go for backtracking. Now instead of changing the position of q2, we have to change the position of q1. Let us change the position of q1 to next position, that is 1, 2. And along the same column and same diagonal we can't place any further queens. But q2 is in safer position because q1 cannot attack q2. Okay, let the q2 be in the same position, but you have to change the position of q3 because q3 is under attack by q1. So let us change the position of q3 to 3, 1. Next, now we have to place q4, and we have rooms to place q4 because under q3 we can't place because it is on the same column, but we have a place called 4, 3 where we can able to place the fourth queen. Okay, so q4 will be placed at 4, 3 position. So that's it. Here all the queens have been placed on a chessboard at their safe most position. So this is the solution for 4 queens problem. Solution is 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 1 and 4, 3. Or we can say the solution is 2, 4, 1, 3. Okay, so these are the position numbers. Another problem is obtain at least 3 solutions for 5 queens problem. You should have 5 cross 5 matrix, and here we have 5 cross 5 matrix because we have to obtain the solution. Let us have the solutions one by one. In the first solution is q1 will be placed at first position, next q2 at third position of the second row, q3 last position of the third row, q4 second position of the fourth row, q5 fourth position of the fifth row. Now we can observe no queens can attack them or attack each other. So this is one of the solution. 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 5, 4, 2 and 5, 4. Let us take one more solution. q1 at second position, q2 at fourth position, q3 at first position, q4 at the third position and q5 at fifth position. Okay, so all the queens are in a safe place. So this is the solution. 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 1, 4, 3 and 5, 5. One more solution is q1 at second position of the first row, q2 last position of the second row, q3 third position of the third row, q4 first position of the fourth row, q5 fourth position of the fifth row. So this is the solution, and these are the 3 possible solutions which are available for 5 queens problem. There may be some other solutions may exist, okay, but these are all the possible solutions. Now here's the problem for you. Obtain any 3 solutions for 8 queens problem. So that you must have 8 cross 8 chessboard. Under that we have to place 8 queens in a safe position. Thank you.